If you want to insert a green screen clip into your project in After Effects and want to remove the green part of the background, you can use these steps. After the green screen video clip is inserted into the project in Timeline, we can adjust the position and size first. If you want the clip size to fit on the project screen, right-click on the clip. In the options from the Transform section, select Fit to Comp. To remove the background color of the green screen clip, in the Effects and Presets section, type Key Light. When the Key Light 1.2 effect appears, drag it to the green screen clip on Timeline. The next step, in the Key Light Effect Settings panel, use an eyedropper. Drag it to the background color section. And now the green color on the background has been removed. To make color adjustments to the subject, we can change the values in the screen gain, screen balance, and other settings. To find out in details, we can bring up the screen map display. In the source crop settings, we can set the area where the clip will be inserted. For more sync, use the same color as the previous background color code. If needed, we can add a keyframe to set the timing. If everything is done, we can immediately render the project. That's how to remove the green background in After Effects. And thanks for watching.